Okay guys, I'm back here now. I'm about to finish but install the new control arm. Bring on the camera. As you can see, the 214s are almost already wound up. But I'm not sure if it's supposed to take these right up first and then get this one in. But I'm gonna try to see how that works out right now for me. Because it looks that you might have to do that so as not to compromise where the 14 screws are. Right, I try to torque it back to where it was. I believe it was before, which is right here. I don't know how much pounds pressure that is, but that feels just about right. In terms of where it was before. Alright. Now I have to get this arm in this section here now. So here we go. Alright, a way to use natural leverage. Let's see if I can use some natural leverage since I don't have fancy tools. A little bit too far. Alright, just stop. Stop now.